So hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can convert like this kind of messy data. Okay, this kind of messy data into like the client requirement, product, region, age, agent ID, customer ID, call duration, resolve, and this kind of in the format. So for that, this data I took from the YouTube channel that is called this YouTube channel Excel plus AI big second salary. Okay, so you can check it out his video as well. So let's begin. For that, we will going to use the one very important and very beautiful function that is called the this flash fill. Okay, so for that, always this there is one row, right? This one is the one row. So in the second row, like the consecutive row, you just click here below this one, the data you want to extract. So for that, you go to the data and the place field. Okay, so click here and write down the this word desktop here. Okay, desktop, and in the second I am laptop. Okay, so we can say that uh, when I was when I wrote all those first and second thing, the this section is automatic filled. So this is the magic of place fill. Now we want the like mid west, west, north in this part. So for that you type mid west. Okay, west. Next, what is there? Okay, there is mid west. In the second part you have the west only. West. Okay. Okay, it is not west. W-S-T west. And third you have the north. TH north, and fourth you have the oh, it is taking automatically, but you need to give proper name. So for that you need to enter two or three datas. So he will like that. This Excel will going to understand easily north. Okay, and here you just type the west. Uh, T west. Okay, got it. Now you press the Control E. Look at here, how beautiful it is. Here, north, we get the north. So we just extracted the region part. Region part. Now we need to extract the agent ID. For that, the agent ID of this one is this one, right? So AID has 001, 001. Second, AID has 002, AID 003. Now press enter and press Control E. Now there is some problem, so you need to add another one also. So set AID less 00004. Okay. Now you can do that process. Now look at the thing. So we get all the IDs from AID 00 and up to uh, it has the total 15,000 rows. Okay. So you can easily get that thing from this part in the flash field. Now in the next part we need to do the customer type. Okay, the customer types are individuals and this kind of things are there. So for that we have the what individual. Second you have the SME, and fourth third you have the individual again. Five you have the large corporate. Okay, so we can see now we can press that thing Control E. Now we got the value. look at a profit, but there is non-profit. Okay, so we need to enter few more data. So here we have to SME. Okay, SME, 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 here SME, 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 yeah, non, non, slash profit. Okay, now we can use because uh, now we will going to get the data, I guess. So control E. Now look at here, large corporate, and but there is some missing value also. Okay, I think how many missing values are there? Okay, we only got this one missing value. I don't know why. So you can press SME here. SME. Okay. Now you can check and you get the answer correct. Now you move to the next section, that is call duration. Right? In call duration, this is 9683. In this flash field works very nicely with the number, so you can use this method easily. So we have 94 this here. Okay, 94, enter 94. We have the 83, enter. We have the 70, 76, enter. Okay, now again 76, 6. Now you can press the control E. You got, look at here, 76, 62, right? And check here in this part you have the 74, 74. Check in the last section because you should verify because this is 73, 70. So that means that our data is correct. Now next in next section, what you need to do, you need to find the this uh, resolve. For resolve section, what you can do in result section, look at uh, yes, okay, yes, yes, no, so yes, uh, yes, 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 uh, yes, yes, no, no, here you have the here, no, yes. So you need to enter few data for is to get all the value. Okay, yes, no, yes, no, this is no, we are getting the yes, otherwise yes, so we are getting the yes. Quickly verify the data. Yeah, it's good. Now move to the next section. This is remove this one. It's just messing the thing. Now here we complete resolve satisfaction ratio. So satisfaction ratio you can type uh, what is this satisfaction ratio? You can take this one 3.2 and all. So 3.2, type 3.2, enter 2.4, 2.4, enter 2.7, 0.7 and 2.7.7. Okay, now on press control E, we are getting this easily. Here is 4. Look at this is 4. 3.4. We are getting the 3. So I think the data is accurate. This is 3, 3. Now we have the last, that is uh, the upsell amount. upsell amount. For that you need to do one upsell amount in the last section, so you can easily do with the help of here 170. You can press 170, enter. 250, 250, enter, and 160, enter. Now press control. Here is 0, 240. So our data is filled automatically. Okay. Now we need to we want to copy this data, right? So do that. Control C. Now we need to press here. Control V. Okay. So we got this data, or you can do one thing. You can select here and you can type the this specific thing. Suppose this. So you can take this one, Control C, and you can place here. Control. Got it? So you got all the values accurately. But I think there is some controlling. So this is pretty much clear, and you just you can copy this data, Control C, into the new cell, Control V. So yeah, here we have the required result. So you can share this thing to your client or anyone. So yeah, that's very easy process if you know the method, this one. But now there is the homework section that you need to do. The first one is account. You need to write the account in this section and the amount in the other section. So for that you can use the splash field X option again. So for data, splash fill. Okay, so click here and you can press this one, right? 200 200 6 8 4165 and in the second part two, you can see the look at here, you can see the result you get very easily. You can verify here all the data, so you got the value easily. Okay, how wonderful that is. Now we need to find this one, this dollar section. So for that place dollar, and you can press 1010 comma 065 cr. Okay, here you can press the dollar again, so you can see that we got all the value easily, right? This 0 0.0 you can check. So we need to get the two values. First one is amount, second one account and amount. So you can type here account, account, and here amount, amount. Okay, got it. So I think this is very easy. Just you need to know the this method or this thing, so you can easily find out the value. So suppose you want to place this thing to any separate column, so just select this one, Control C, and you can press here. You can press Control V here. Got it? So this is the required result we have. Now you can know how you can convert this kind of data into that beautiful data, this data. Okay, so how you can convert this data into this data with the help of flash fill. So thank you for watching this video. It's a tutorial, and uh, yeah.